Get excited about the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Chrysler prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, front fog lights, a power liftgate, a roof rack, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including front and side impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call